In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and manage your email campaigns using the Mailchimp platform. This guide will be incredibly helpful for those of you who are looking to run impactful email marketing campaigns with ease. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the Mailchimp dashboard and start by clicking on the Campaigns tab. This is your starting point and will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the email campaigns you've been working on. Here you can see their status, performance metrics, and more. Once you've found the campaign you're interested in, go ahead and click on Edit next to the email you'd like to modify. This option allows you to dive deeper into the campaign settings and make adjustments as needed. Whether you're tweaking a current campaign or preparing to launch something new, this step is crucial in ensuring everything is perfectly set up. Next, look for the To tab. This is where you'll specify your email recipients. It's vital to make sure you have selected the correct audience, as this determines who receives your carefully crafted message. Double check your chosen list to ensure it's the right audience for your campaign's intent. After that, click on the From tab. Here, you'll modify the sender information. This might seem minor, but having a recognizable from name and email can dramatically impact open rates. Ensure that subscribers instantly recognize who the message is coming from. Now let's focus on grabbing your reader's attention. Click on the Subject tab and input a strong, engaging subject line. This is one of the most critical parts of your email, so take your time crafting a subject that piques interest and encourages your audience to open the email. Once satisfied, just click Save. If you need to change the name of the email, click Edit Name and type in the new title. The email name helps you keep everything organized on your end without impacting what the recipient sees. Remember to click Save to apply any changes. With the preliminaries out of the way, it's time to click Edit Design to start customizing the content of your email. Within the design editor, you have the freedom to drag and drop various content blocks to integrate text, images, or even buttons. Have fun with this step. The more engaging your content, the better your results will be. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, click Save and Exit to finalize your edits. If you're ready to send the email, hit Send. However, if you want a final review to ensure everything is perfect, feel free to pause here. And that's it. Your email campaign is ready to go. With these steps, you can efficiently run and manage your email marketing campaigns in Mailchimp, ensuring successful communication with your audience. I hope this guide was insightful, and I'm looking forward to seeing the amazing campaigns you'll create.